ensuite, we actually don't have a shower screen within the space. We've used our vanity wall as privacy for the shower, which is behind us. So for our first impact walking into the space, we really wanted to have a showstopper, which is what we've used, these raw edge stone tiles, which really bring in a lot of texture, a lot of earthiness and a lot of character. Flowing on from our wardrobe, we've also used the same detail in the drawers for the vanity as well. Instead of using the timber, we've followed the same stone underneath. So it gives you a nice continuity between two spaces, which is quite nice. Now we are behind the vanity in our walk-in shower. It's quite generous, so we're keeping that spa feel within the space. Got a really long niche for styling and housing your shower essentials. And we've also done mitered edges everywhere to keep everything clean and minimal.